What's up, guys? It is Ryan.
And Neil.
And we wanted to have a conversation about what's going on in the marketplace because so many people have been calling us with the roller coaster of rates that we've been seeing. People aren't sure what's happening, and we're kind of just giving you an update as to what you can expect, what we've seen over the last year or two, and what we see happening in the coming weeks and months. Now, one of the biggest things people have been saying, they're waiting for rates to come back down. Now, Neil, what have house prices been doing over the last 2 years versus what they're doing right now? What would you say?
For the last 2 years, they've been appreciating crazy, going up 15, 20% a year, sometimes even more. It depends on where you live. Right now, they're not going up crazy. They're staying stable, but they're not dropping. They are not dropping at all. And the best part is people don't realize if rates come down, there's going to be 50 people bidding on that same house. Why, Ryan?
Because there's no inventory and builders are not buying or building low-end, more affordable housing. Everything they're buying is going to be on the higher tiers of pricing points. So that's why there aren't enough people, or there aren't enough houses for the people that are looking to buy, or the first-time home buyers trying to penetrate the market.
There's only so much land. That house in wherever, so be it. 3 years ago, that was 100, is now 250. The first-time home buyers, you guys are going to get priced out.
Especially when you're looking in major metro areas, all the people that are trying to get out of the city of Philadelphia right now, they're buying in the surrounding suburbs. So what's happening there is it's driving up the prices of homes there because they're coming out of the city. They're buying houses with a little bit of land where it's a little bit more safer, maybe the schools are a little bit better. And what's that doing? It's driving all the other prices up. They're not building those affordable homes anymore. They're not building lower priced homes anymore. So that's one of the biggest problems that's happening right now. Plus, when you look at rates, guys, there's a lot of people that have been sitting on the sidelines. They don't want to refinance, or they're not purchasing another house because they have a lower rate, but they're waiting for rates to drop. But when you look at things, guys, if you look here, this is where rates were 2 years ago, maybe a year, what was it, a year ago?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. Now they're hovering around here. When you look at the price difference in the house, that's a big difference going from $350 to $425. The thing is this, guys, this price is not coming down. So if anything, this price may go up. And if rates hover here in this 6.5 to maybe even 5% range, this is only going to get more expensive, which is why it's a horrible idea to wait, especially with the summer rush that's on the way. It's about to come out now. People are already starting to shop like crazy.
Neil's favorite paragraph that I get yelled at from my family all the time. Marry the house, date the rate. Remember, 6 months from now, if you're in the house at 6.5, 6 months from now when these idiots in the government realize how they screwed everything up and rates come back down, you refi, but now you still got your house. But your house 6 months from now, if you buy that 4.25 house, when rates come down, that house is going to be 450, 460. So where did you gain by waiting? Nothing.